So जैसे एक क्वेश्चन बुरहान वानी का तो बड़ा पुराना हो गया ये वाला किस्सा, लेकिन उन्हें पकड़ा वैसे ही गया था, उनकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स के थ्रू पकड़ा गया था, उन्हें इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली थी वगैरह. बट टेल मी समथिंग, व्हाई आर गर्ल्स अट्रैक्टेड towards bad boys?
It's not about bad boys. Girls are, यानी women, I think so, it's a psyche. यानी कि आप दिमाग का, a guy with a weapon,
उन्हें वो अल्फा लगता है.
Alpha लगता है. Obviously he's a alpha, so maybe they are attracted to that. Maybe because he has, weapon has power. It's got a lot of power. Warriors, weapons. आप history भी देखोगे तो generally people and women are attracted to those kind of guys. That is, I think so, because वो normal से हटकर है. So larger than life है. They have that weapon yields power. उसका power है, उसकी एक aura है weapon के साथ. So obviously, I think so, women are attracted to those kind of guys rather than a guy who's a normal guy. But it's a very contrary.
face किया है a woman getting attracted towards you? Never?
No, I don't think so. I'm not a ladies guy at all.
Seriously?
I'm not a ladies guy. There's no women attracted to me. I have not seen that kind of attraction.
Never?
No, I am
okay.
not.
एक बात बताइए, आपने बोला कि पैरा एसएफ में जब लोग ज्वाइन करते हैं, उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ कुछ होती नहीं है. इसी से कनेक्टेड सवाल मैं पूछती हूँ, उनकी पर्सनल लाइफ नहीं होती है, तो कैसे, what kind of men join para SF? They are कि कुंवारे ही रहते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. They are married guys. They are flamboyant guys. They have affairs. They have girlfriends. Everything is there.
Girlfriends, how do they manage then?
But the relationships are like a little bit difficult to manage.
Right.
And only because even if a girl or a companion, अगर उसको if she is attracted to a guy, at least communication has to be there. They need to talk, meet regularly.
जी.
But in our case, majority of the time तो आप उधर है ही नहीं. So it is much more of a superficial kind of relationship. How much long a girl will only see a person in picture? हाँ, यानी कि वो कितनी देर तक उसको फोटो और फोन पे ही बात करगी. She requires that kind of.
Exactly.
So that kind of, I think so, a girl who can manage that. She can wait.
Has to be very strong.
She has to be very strong. अगर वो manage कर सकती हैं, wait कर सकती हैं, so.
और उसी बैकग्राउंड से होना चाहिए. आर्मी वाले जिसने देखा है,
जिसने थोड़ा देखा, जिसने बिल्कुल, जिसके लिए नई बात है कि ये बंदा गायब कहाँ हो जाता है, फिर बीच में उसको कम्युनिकेशन नहीं है. He is not telling the place. He is not supposed to tell where you can know that he is operating in somewhere in JNK, but exact locations you don't tell. So अगर वो सब manage कर लेती है तो you can have girlfriend. You can, I think so, your relationship will prosper. Otherwise तो I don't think so कि जो बंदे special forces join करते हैं वो relationships और उन सबको देखकर, because ये तो part and parcel है आपकी life का. So you have to take it in the stride. Girls also and operatives also both have to take that in stride.